Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today I am here to teach you about mathematics of class 4. To search this video, press the code 29.1.3. Today's our topic is word problems and LCM. Word problems. Word problems, we will face different difficulties to solve the word problems. Here question is, what is the greatest number that divides 30, 36 and 96 exactly? Like these conditions, when somebody asks you about greatest number, the greatest number always will be HCF. For this solution, we will use the prime factorization method. First of all, we will divide 30. We will take 30. 30 is an even number. All even numbers are divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. Now 15 is an odd number. Now we will think whose factors are 15. 3 and 5 are factors of 15. We will divide 15 by 3. 3 fives are 15. 5 ones are 5. 13 is covered. Now we will divide 36. 36 is also an even number. It will be divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 9 is an odd number. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. Similarly, we will take 96. 96 is also an even number. We will divide 96 by 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 eights are 16. 48 is also an even number. 2 twos are 4. 2 fours are 8. 24 is also an even number. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 6 are 12. 2 threes are 6. 3 ones are 3. We know that all even numbers are divided by 2. We have all even numbers 30, 36 and 96. We use the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method, the method by which we will gain prime factors of that numbers. Prime factors mean all those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and 2 itself. Prime factors of 30. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, and now prime factors of 36. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and prime factors of 96. 2 multiplied by 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 and 3. Now we will find common factors. Common factors are those factors which have all those numbers 30, 36 and 96. We will see 2 and 3 are common factors. Common factors 2 multiplied by 3. HCF is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 6 is the greatest number that divides 30, 36 and 96 exactly. This is the proper method of what is the greatest number that divides 30, 36 and 96 exactly. This is the method of prime factorization of HCF. Now we will use the method LCM by prime factorization method. LCM least common multiple. It is an abbreviation of least common multiple. 30 and 12 are questions. We will divide 30. 30 is an even number. Which factor divided? 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. 3 fives are 15. 5 ones are 5. Now we will divide 12 by 2 because 12 is also an even number. 2 6 are 12. 2 threes are 6. 3 ones are 3. And prime factorization also a method that which gives us prime factors of that numbers. Prime factors means all those numbers which have only two factors itself and 1. Prime factors of 30, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Prime factors of 12, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. What is the difference between HCF and LCM? HCF mean highest common factor. LCM mean least common factor. LCM in which common factors multiply by uncommon factors, and HCF is only common factors, in which we will take common factors 2 multiplied by 3. We can say that 2 multiplied by 3 are common factors, and we will also write all those factors which are uncommon. 5 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 2 was 10. 10 threes are 30. 32s are 60. LCM of 30 and 12 is 60. This is your lecture about LCM and ACF. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.